wherever and whenever a human child is born, his or her education starts. You see, when a human child comes into existence, after a few months, he learns. He learns how to cope with the difficulties of his day-to-day life. At a mundane level of life, or at the worldly level of life, whatever you call it, a man and a woman receive two kinds of education. One is called informal education, and the other is called formal education. At a very early age, the parents teach their children manners and morals. This is the first time that the knowledge about the manners and morals and other ways of living is started. And then there is society where the child lives. He or she lives in the society, and the society teaches them the way of life, social conduct, social behavior, to live peacefully with each other. Then there is religion, that's Islam, in our society. So with reference to Islam, some laws and rules are taught. And the men and women are taught what's legal and what's illegal, what's right and what's wrong, what's fair and what's unfair, etc., etc. And in this way, the men and women in the society become good citizens and good Muslims. Well, then begins the formal education. At a very early age, the child is sent to the school. There he or she learn to read and write, and they get knowledge from books. And the teacher impart them the knowledge about different subjects, about different topics. So, if they get the opportunity, they go to the colleges, they go to the universities and to the higher institutions, and they come out of these institutions as useful members of the citizen, of the society, and they become good citizens, and they are earning members of the society, and so they live their life. In a previous meeting, I had quoted a person saying about a philosopher, his aim was integrated personality, a composed mind, a compassionate heart. Well, I tell you, you can develop your integrated personality through formal and informal education. You can get a composed mind through formal and informal education. But there is a higher learning that can develop your compassionate heart. And for this purpose, there is no formal institution in the modern times. You will have to go somewhere to find out some teacher, some guru, some spiritual director for your spiritual development. And that's the higher learning. For this purpose, you will have to go to the khanqahs, to the zawiyas, to the jamaat khanas, and to such places to find out the Murshids that can teach you how to develop yourself spiritually, how to be a deep religious person, how to be intimate with God.